Start by cutting the tops off of each jalapeno. Then slice each jalapeno into half like this. Use a spoon and hollow out the inside of each jalapeno. You might want to wear gloves for this if you're sensitive to jalapenos' heat. Make sure to remove the seeds and ribs unless you like your Buffalo Turds extra hot. Use cream cheese that's at room temperature. Place onto the hollowed out jalapeno using a spoon or whatever you want to fill the jalapeno in with. Take 1 to 2 beanie weenies and place them into the cream cheese. Take a full strip of bacon and wrap it around each jalapeno, and remember to use a toothpick to keep the Buffalo Turds together. If the jalapeno is smaller, then you might be able to get away with half a slice of bacon to wrap around it. Place the Buffalo Turds onto a pan and place them in a toaster oven and set the temperature to 350. Cook for 20 to 30 minutes or until the bacon is cooked to your liking. Remove the Buffalo Turds and add as much barbecue sauce as you would like to each turd. Place back in the toaster and cook at 350 for 10 more minutes. So our Buffalo Turds are done, and we have a jalapeno, which makes our boat where we put our cream cheese in, and then we put a beanie weenie in there, wrap it with bacon, cook it for about 30 minutes on 350. And then add a little barbecue sauce to the top. I happen to use a carb almost carb-free, no sugar, 2 grams of carb per serving barbecue sauce. And I'll put it back in for 10 minutes. Let's try it out. Wow. You get a lot of flavors in this. You definitely get the jalapeno out of it. I mean, wow. You get the beanie weenie, the sour cream, or the cream cheese, sorry, the bacon. Oh. Barbecue sauce. Super simple to make, guys. Super simple. Great for a party, football party, whatever. Anyhow, thanks again, everybody, for watching. Really appreciate it. You're watching The Dude's Kitchen, and remember, the dude abides.